What if in every price negotiation and every supplier meeting you instantly knew what the fair market price should be? With the costdata app, I have the entire global knowledge base right in my hand, up-to-date prices for raw materials, metal alloys, plastic, chemicals, construction materials, electronic components, or agricultural products. Easier than ever before. Your supplier suddenly wants 20% more for a specific material? Just ask the app. You want to know what a specific plastic currently costs per ton in Eastern Europe, for instance? Just ask the app. Your supplier claims that production costs have increased due to machine costs, wages, energy, rent, or overheads? Just ask the app if that's really true and push back with solid benchmark data. Even if your question isn't that precise, the AI, so the artificial intelligence behind it, helps you to clarify it. You'll get guided follow-up questions until you have the exact answer you wanted. For everyone in industrial procurement who needs the right numbers, fast and reliable. And if you prefer a bigger screen, it also works in your browser on laptop or PC, just as easy as using ChatGPT. Curious to try it out? Reach to me, Mark Metzner, or go on our website costdata.de for more information.